Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have learned that how to subtract four-digit numbers without borrowing and with borrowing. Now, in today's class, in chapter number 5, subtraction, we will learn that how to solve a word problem or a story problem using subtraction. Now, what is the meaning of word problem or a story problem? Sometimes a problem is written out as a sentence or a story. So this kind of problem is called a word problem. To solve a word problem, we have to first understand what are being asked to do by reading the sentence or the statement carefully. That means to solve a word problem, first we have to understand the meaning of the statements, that what is given or what is asking in the question. Now there are some keywords like taken away, left, how many more than, how many less than, how many more are needed, remained, difference, given away, between of. If we see any of these in the question, that means we have to subtract. Now we will start. Let us practice 5.3. And here we have a question. The total cost of a bicycle and a moped is rupees 9,645. That means bicycle और moped की total cost means दोनों को मिला के total cost है rupees 9,645. If the bicycle cost is rupees 1,870, अगर उसमें से bicycle की cost 1,870 rupees है तो what is the total cost? What is the cost of the moped? मोपेड की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? देन इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन? द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ बाइसिकल एंड मोपेड रुपीज 9,645. कॉस्ट ऑफ बाइसिकल रुपीज 1,870. एंड व्हाट इज आस्किंग इन द क्वेश्चन? द कॉस्ट ऑफ मोपेड. दैट मीन्स द कॉस्ट ऑफ मोपेड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. Now we will arrange these numbers in columns. Then we will subtract. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now here 4 is smaller than 7. We can't subtract 7 from 4. So we will borrow 1 from 6. Now 4 will be 14. Now 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Now one number is taken out from 6. So 6 will be 5. Again we can't subtract 8 from 5. So we will borrow 1 from this number. So 5 will be 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now one number is taken out from 9. So 9 will be 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So the cost of moped is rupees 7,775. Now our next question is how much 9,506 is greater than 5,849. That means 9,506 कितना बड़ा है 5,849 से. Now we can understand with this example. Suppose 10 कितना बड़ा है 7 से. तो 10 कितना बड़ा है? We will subtract 7 from 10. After 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 3. So 10 कितना बड़ा है 7 से? 3. सेम इन दिस क्वेश्चन 9,506 कितना बड़ा है 5,849 से. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? द ग्रेटर नंबर इज गिवन, स्मॉलर नंबर इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट ग्रेटर नंबर इज ग्रेटर बाय हाउ मच. नाउ वी विल अरेंज दिस इन कॉलम्स. नाउ 6 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract 9 from 6. So we will borrow 1 from the next number, but the next number is 0. So we will go to the next number. Next number is 5. Now we will borrow 1 from 5. That means we are borrowing 1 from 50. So 50 will be 49 and this 6 will be 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. and 5 will be 4. Then we can't subtract 8 from 4. Again we will borrow 1 from 9. So 4 will be 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now one number is taken out from 9. So 9 will be 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So the greater number is greater by 3657. Now our next question is same as previous question. How much is 2768 is less than 5000? That means 2768 कितना छोटा है 5000 से. Now we can understand with this example. Here 3 कितना छोटा है 10 से. तो 3 कितना छोटा है 10 से. We will subtract 3 from 10. That means 7. 3 10 से 7 times छोटा है. Same in this question, greater number is given, smaller number is given, and we have to find the smaller number is lesser by how much. For that we have to subtract this number from this number. Now we will arrange in this column 5000 minus 2768. Now 0 minus 8. Now we can't subtract 8 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from the next number and 0 will be 10. But the next number is 0. So we can't borrow from this number. Then we will go to the next number. Next number is also 0. Then we will go to the next number. Next number is 5. That means we will borrow 1 from this 500. So 500 will be 499. Now we will subtract 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the smaller number is lesser by 2232. Now our next question is, what number must be added to 6679 to get 8126? That means 6679 में क्या ऐड किया जाए, क्या प्लस किया जाए टू फाइंड 8126, जिससे हमको 8126 मिले. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस एग्जाम्पल. सपोज 6 में क्या प्लस किया जाए कि 10 आए. तो 6 में क्या प्लस किया जाए 10 आए, उसके लिए हम 10 में से 6 माइनस करेंगे. सम में से 1 एडेंड यदि माइनस करेंगे तो वी विल फाइंड द सेकेंड एडेंड. नाउ 10 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 4. सो 6 प्लस 4 is equal to 10. Okay. Now in this question, sum is given. First addend is given. And we have to find the second addend. Now for that we will subtract this from this. That means one addend from the sum. Now we will arrange in the columns. 6 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 6. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. So 1 will be 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Now 1 is taken out from the 2. So 2 will be 1. Again we can't subtract 7 from 1. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. Now this 1 will be 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Now 1 is taken out from this number. So 1 will be 0. Again we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. So 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now one number is taken out from the 8. So 8 will be 7. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. That means 1447 must be added to this number to find this number. Now our next question is, Usha needs rupees 6150 to buy her books and uniform. उषा को चाहिए थे 6,150 रुपीज बाय मीन्स खरीदने के लिए बुक्स एंड यूनिफॉर्म. शी हैज़ रुपीज 3,450 बट उसके पास कितने रुपीज थे? रुपीज 3,450. हाउ मेनी रुपीज डज शी नीड मोर? अब उसको कितने और रुपए की ज़रूरत है? नाउ what is given? The cost of books and uniform. रुपीज 6,150. She has money. उसके पास कितनी मनी थी? रुपीज 3,450. Now she needs money. How much? We have to find out. Then we will subtract the money that she has from the cost of books and uniform. Now we will arrange in columns. Then subtract 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can't subtract from 4 from 1. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. So 1 will be 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Now one number is taken away from this 6. So 6 will be 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That means Usha needs rupees 2,700 more. Now our next question is, in a village there are 9,682 people. Out of these 6,546 are men. एक गांव में 9,682 लोग रहते थे, उनमें से 6,546 मैन हैं. तो हाउ मेनी वुमेन्स आर देयर इन द विलेज? उस गांव में कितनी वुमेन हैं? तो व्हाट इज गिवन? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल 9,682. Number of men 6,546 and we have to find the number of women. For that we have to subtract the number of men from total number of people. So we will arrange in columns. Now we can't subtract 6 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. So 2 will be 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now one number is taken away from the 8, so 8 will be 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 and 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Then there are 3,136 women in the village. Now the next question is, there are 3,155 students in a school. एक स्कूल में 3,155 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. On a rainy day, एक दिन जब बारिश हो रही थी, 1,022 did not come. 1,022 स्टूडेंट्स उस दिन स्कूल नहीं आए. तो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स अटेंडेड द स्कूल दैट डे? उस दिन कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने स्कूल अटेंड किया? What is given? The total number of students given. Students did not come school given and we have to find the student attended the school. कितने students ने school attend किया? We have to find out. Okay, now we will subtract this from this. Now we will arrange in column. Then subtract 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That means that day 2,132 students attended the school. Now our next question is, in a colony there are 2,460 houses. एक कॉलोनी में 2,460 houses हैं. If 1,456 houses are vacant. Vacant means खाली हैं. अगर टोटल हाउस में से 1,456 houses खाली हैं, तो हाउ मेनी हाउसेज आर ऑक्यूपाइड? कितने हाउसेज ऑक्यूपाइड मीन्स भरे हुए हैं. अगर इस कॉलोनी में 2,460 हाउसेज हैं, उसमें से 1,056 हाउसेज खाली हैं, तो कितने हाउसेज भरे हुए हैं? नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? द टोटल नंबर ऑफ हाउसेज 2,460. Number of houses vacant 1,456 and we have to find the number of houses occupied. For that we have to subtract this from this. Now arrange in column. 0 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from the next number. So 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now one number is taken away from the 6. So 6 will be 5. Now 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That means there are 1004 houses are occupied. Okay, thank you.